Hi guys, welcome to my channel, DRBuilds.
Hey guys, today we're gonna find out if this toilet seat is really better than wax. So I am installing floors. I already did that. I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below on how I install these floors for this bathroom that I'm working on. But I want to make sure that this is better than wax, like it advertises. So I went to my local hardware store and got this there, and I'm gonna see if this is easy to install, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So let's get started. So it does look like when you plug this in, there is a material in here, like a rubber that is gonna seal this area right here. It looks pretty secure, and I don't think there's gonna be water coming out. So it does look good so far. What I like is I don't have a bunch of mess in my hands. You see, like in this area, there's a bunch of like wax, and you don't have that messy wax all over your fingers. I'm digging this right now. Alright, so I just plugged the water into the toilet. So let's see. I do not see that it's leaking any water, which is always good news. And it does look like it's filling water, which it is. And let's try to flush it. While it's flushing, you do not see there's water leaking, which is a good indication that this product works. So one thing about this better than wax toilet seat is that it's not messy. It's pretty clear to fix, to put together, and also I don't see the water leaking. That's all I wanted, right? And it does look like it works. So what better thing than buying something that actually works? So it does look like this better than wax thing works. I highly recommend it because I mean, like, it's not messy. It is a product that anybody can install. It's super easy and simple. Also, there has a few instructions on the back and on the side of it. If you need to change your toilet or remove a toilet, you can use this thing and you don't have to deal with the wax mess, because sometimes it's kind of gross to touch that thing. If you haven't, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel to grow, and I'll see you next time for the next video. Have a good day.